Need urgent help. I've been literally burning money on Google Ads. I'm thinking of quitting my business as it has a lot of dependency on Google Ads. Problem: I have marked specific locations in excluded location section, but I still see traffic from those locations as seen in my logs. Under location option, under included, I have specifically selected people in or regularly in your targeted location. I have set specific states and cities under excluded location, but still I'm getting traffic from excluded locations. Attached are the logs as well. Any suggestions on how to fix? Let me see first of all. So you have set all of these locations Delhi, India, and there are around 5 locations as excluded location, and you have select the presence, which I usually recommend. I do not recommend presence or interest, because if you select the presence or interest, people moving in your location, or people have been in your location but they are not now, can still see your ad. So yeah, you have selected this still. Now let me see your vlogs to see how you are trying to rectify or suggest your issue. Okay. So for instance, you may see over here that you have excluded those locations. Okay. So now over here I cannot match it. Over here it's Vagar, Belgaum, Nashik, Hybli, Singapore, Gurgaon, Ahmednagar, Singapore, Ukli, Chennai. Okay, that is none of the person is actually from the list you have selected over here as exclude location. However, if you only want to include this in your location, you can simply include your location. I think that the confusion over here is, from now what I'm trying to understand is that you only want to target people from over here, because if you have selected those as exclude location and do not want your ad to be shown over here, no one is over here is coming from your that location, which have been put on hold. But if you think okay, there may be a priority, okay, there can be an issue. For instance, there can be some keyword, there may be a keyword, for instance, there may be a keyword which has the word delay, or there may be a city specific keyword, that is only being searched in a specific city. Now that could be a rare scenario where your ad will be shown. Otherwise, I do not think, or nor the data is showing that your ad is showing over here. So now, in order to exclude or include, let me move on to the Google Ads and let me show you over here. For instance, if I move back to another campaign over here, for instance, if I move on to one of the campaign, let's see to figure out. For instance, let's say I move on to this performance max campaign. I can say over here, go on to the settings, and you may see over here. Okay, for instance, just a second over here. You may see over here the locations. For instance, I want to target, for instance, let's say if I've excluded India, but I wanted to target Delhi, I can simply include it. Okay. Now what will happen is that my ad will not be shown in whole India except Delhi. But if I wanted to exclude Delhi, I can simply exclude it. Once I exclude it, this means my ad will not be shown over here. After this, I can move and select the presence over here. This is a very fine approach. Also, there could be another reason, which is a very rare, just telling you over here, and that is that your language selection. For instance, there may be a specific language which is only being spoken in that specific place. So look around for your language as well. Your language could be another issue as well. So for instance, if you are targeting in India, and you may see there is a city specific language which is certainly spoken in that city, and that may be excluded over here. So try to remove that as well over here and focus on the language. So these are the small things, but still, in case if you still see this an error, it's a good time to reach out to the Google support to manually sort out. And in case if you need our assistance, we help clients with auditing, tracking, analyzing, optimizing their Google Ads campaign. You can hire me and my team through the link in the description. We as a Google partner will love to help you. Thank you for watching. I hope this answers your question as well. Take care. Bye bye.